Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to look like a Korean girl. So let's get started. The foundation I'm going to be using is the Catrice HD Coverage Liquid and the e.l.f. Concealer. Since it's going to be a lighter makeup shade, so I'm going to be using my concealer for the most part and this beauty blender. But first I'm applying my primer. My primer is Dermablend. Guys, I am telling you my primer is the best primer ever. Then I'm using this dirty mirror and placing just front of me so I can see while I'm doing my makeup. And this headband, which is stolen from my nieces. You don't have to use a stolen one. You can use any headband you want. Then guys, I'm taking this foundation and putting on my face. Then I'm taking my beauty blender and putting that foundation all over my face, also on my brow, because I am going to reshape my brows. You guys, you also have to put them on your neck, and if you're going outside, since I'm not going outside, I'm not doing this part, but you have to also put foundation on your hands, like just to match your face. Then guys, I'm taking this concealer. This is a really lighter color, and I'm also going to be applying that because I am a brown girl and my skin tone is not that much light as a Korean girl, so I am using that concealer all over my face and my neck. Now I'm taking my contouring stick and I will be shaping my jawline. I am just gonna pretend that I don't have any jawline, so I am just putting it on those spots. I can't really explain, but I'm just putting it there just so my face looks so skinny. Then I'm setting them with a beauty blender and my blush and brush. You guys, now I'm using the contouring stick and putting on my nose, and I am making it a less pointy nose. And to be able to make it less sharp, I am also using the concealer and dabbing onto the nose so that way it doesn't look that much pointy. Now I'm using my LA Color Brow Palette, and it has 3 shades, and I will be using all 3, and I am using this brush to do my brows. So first I'm brushing my brows upwards just so it looks more straight. Then I am using my brow palettes, and I am using mostly those 2 shades, like the dark black one and the brown one. And where I feel like I need some of hair, like I don't have any hair over the corner of my brow, where I am trying to make a straight shape, I am using the dark black one. And over all my brows, I am using the brown shade. And also guys, if you have like arched like brow underneath that, you should put more product in there so that way it looks more straight. Then brush it off for any extras, but don't forget that you made totally a whole different brow, so do not brush too much. Now guys, I did my other brow off camera, and oh my god guys, I cannot believe that I look like that. Now guys, it's time for my eyeshadow, and I am going to use my Heart Candy palette and those colors on my eyelids. And guys, I'm going to use this pink lip liner as my eyeliner. And now I'm taking my gel eyeliner and line it just over the line I just created. Now I am taking this light color eyeshadow and applying it on my under eyelids. Guys, I'm really surprised of the look that I'm turning into. And now I'm taking this lash curler and curling my lashes. And now I'm putting on my mascara. And guys, now I'm using this highlighter palette from Heart Candy and highlighting the parts that I feel like that need to be highlighted. And I don't know guys why I did that, but as a blush on I used the pink shade from the highlighter palette. And after I done it, I felt like kind of stupid, but to me it didn't turn out that bad though. And now I'm taking my concealer again and put it on my lips. Now I'm using my lipstick. It's Milani and the number 15, and putting it just in the inner part of my lips. And guys, I am taking this nude color lip gloss. I am not so sure about what brand it is, and I am applying it on my lips because the lipstick color was more brighter than I expected. And then guys, I'm gonna be pretty much done with my makeup, and I am not using any setting spray because guys, I always say that I do my makeup at night, so I don't really go out with this makeup. I will be taking it off right after I am done taking these videos. So guys, I will be back with my hair done. And guys, here it is with the complete look. I know I don't look exactly like a Korean girl. I really wish I had an hair extension as like them. I already had bang beforehand. I did not cut my hair for this video, I swear. So guys, so this was my video for today, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I am really hoping to see you all in my next video. And until my next video, please stay well and safe. So bye bye.